Why I think you should have a tracking system on your trucks in order to grow your business. What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. And as always, hope you guys are cutting on. So today, I'm going to explain to you why I believe you should have a tracking system on your trucks in order to grow your business. But first, if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. I am a business owner who has taken his business to almost $400,000 last year. And I am trying to grow my business to $500,000. And I'm sharing my ups and downs and how I am trying to cut on. So also, I need your help this year. I'm trying to grow my channel to 7,000. Right now, I'm a little under 4,000 subscribers. So today, fam, I'm gonna share with you what am I using to track my trucks, and also to be upfront with you, I am a provider. In other words, I'm a dealer that actually started out using the service, and I liked it so much, I wanted to give you guys a discount. And I actually called the service provider for this tracking system, and I said to them, hey, listen, how can I partner with you? Because I really like this system, and I still pay y'all. I don't get this system for free. They charge me, but I'm able to now sell the service to you guys. And I am going to give you a discount, especially if you're a subscriber to my channel, and just hear me out and see what this tracking system is all about and how I believe that it can help grow your business, especially if you're a person who's trying to go beyond solo operator. All right, fam, let's jump right into it. Why do I believe you need to have a tracker if you're going to grow your business? Number one reason I believe you need to have your tracker is to protect your equipment. Yes, your box truck, your truck needs to be protected, and I'm going to share a few ways on how you can do that. All right, number one thing is you have a live button with Quartix. This is the website that will give you, and you can track your equipment live. Right now, it is around 6 o'clock my time, and all my trucks supposed to be in. So I scroll up to all my trucks, and boom, guess what? I look around and all my trucks are in HQ. Real cool. You hit the satellite and voila, they all at HQ. Now, if the truck wasn't in, you'll get to see it displayed on the screen, and it'll show you where your truck is located live. Now, one of the things that I'm also able to do, I'm able to do what is called a daily log. Like, for example, I can show you where my truck went today. Let's see, today is the 18th. And I can say daily log for that. It'll give me a list of where this vehicle traveled. Now, it also give me a trip time. It'll total it for me. It was almost 2 hours trip time. It'll tell me how long it idled. It almost idled an hour. It's 50 minutes here. And it'll tell me the how many miles it went. So roughly 34 and a half miles. Now I can click on any one of these and it will actually take me to that address. It'll take me to that location, and the little dot is telling you where my vehicles was stationed, and I should be able to have a better understanding. Now, what's another great thing about this, you're able to do what is called a daily route on the map. So same truck, click on it, and it'll show you where each route went. So for example, started here at HQ, and I knew my guys had to go by Ace Hardware to grab something real quick. All right, and I'll tell you the end destination. That's Ace Hardware. I know where it's located. I can put it on the map there. They stop by there. Scroll over. Yes, there go Ace Hardware, and you see my little sign right there. That's the stop sign or the picket sign to let you know that's where the pit stop was on the destination. I love this. Now I can also, I'm gonna go back some months where I know we had several trucks out. So I'm gonna go back in August. Click here. I can switch my truck. Let's see. I can see the route for that day in August. Now it's cool. I mean, you can actually tell your guys where they located. In this case, I know sometimes my guys forget to clock in. This is HQ early in the morning, 8 o'clock. They're leaving. They got to their first house at 8:29. That's their clock-in time. So if they forget to clock in, you know, which they do sometimes forget to clock in, they forget to break out. This is going through each house. I can tell you it's a house. This is a pit stop. I can tell because it's not in the house or in any subdivision. Let's see what this is. This is Walmart probably, where they took a break. Or is that Chick-fil-A? Let's see. Let's see what we got right here. So right here, it has right here, but I'm assuming they went to, you know what? This is funny, y'all. It's not here, but Chick-fil-A bought this area right here. So they went to Chick-fil-A because this is the pharmacy, and this is like another like chart place. So they went to Chick-fil-A that day, and I can tell you how long they stayed. They got there at 12:16, and then the next one. Let me go back. Got there at 12:16, and let's see what we got here. Oh, we're missing one. There we go. And they left there at 12:31. They left there at 12:31. All right, fam. So another thing I'm gonna show you is it's really good in telling you about the speed or how fast someone's traveling. Let me show you that. So we have a commercial route on Sunday, and that's when we go on the highways. So typically this is more likely when a person will be either, all right, so this is on the highway. Okay. So they're doing pretty good. This orange right here shows you where he's not breaking the speed limit, but it's close. So I tell them I want them to go no faster than 65 miles per hour. He's at 61. Let's see what else we got. Let's see if we get any red. So he's still hovering around the 60 mile per hour. It's a good day for him. Up 64. Let's keep going. Still looking good. Still looking good. 60. All right, we got one red. We got two reds. So right here, you can see where he passed 65 miles per hour. He's doing 71 here, and he's doing 71 there. And he brought it down to within the speed limit though, at 60. Now, if I saw red all the way through, I would say something, because we do have a speed limit policy here at Quick Cutz, and it's 65. That's our speed limit. Like, that's the highest we want to go. These fools are crazy here in Atlanta, Georgia, and we don't want to kill anybody, especially ourselves. So fam, this is some reasons why I believe that having a tracking device is important. Let me share with you the prices. And fam, just so you know, I do sell this tracking device. I sell the tracking device. However, I also have them. So I liked them so much. I asked them how could I give it to the guys on my channel at a discount. I said if they was to use. He said, hey, would you mind selling them? I said, well, yeah. No. I believe in the product. So this one right here is called Info Point, and basically this is what you receive. Now the thing that's most important, you got real-time tracking. The frequency is every 2 minutes. That means every 2 minutes it's updated. Your system is updated. You get the driver sheet like I showed you. You can Excel this report out. Of course, you got support in a mobile app. I don't use the mobile app because I love it best on my computer. I have my computer at all times. Now the Info Plus, the thing that I think is really cool is you get the style, driving style. This is clear. You get more information on that. Also, you receive the engine hours. I think that's really cool to get those two things added. But the most important part is frequency is every minute. So every minute it is updated. Now I even have a tracking device on my dump trailer. So what's the price? Let's get into it. So the price is, my computer going slow. Let's get it. All right. So the price is $14.90, and this is quarterly. That's every 3 months. That's $44.70. Okay. That's for the one where you getting the report back every 2 minutes. Now the one you're going to receive a report back every minute, basically it is $18.90. Quarterly is $56.70. Now I want to discount it for you, fam. I want you to get it cheaper than what I got it. I want to sell it to you at a price of $12.90. That means $12.90 per month. Sign up with me. I'll give you that discount. And if you want to do the plus, I'll sell it for you for $16.90. I'll save you $2 on that one. Now it's important to get a tracking system if you plan on growing your business. If it's just you right now, I will get it just for a peace of mind, because I know people get their stuff jacked and stolen all the time. So what I'm gonna share with you is the equipment that can be used. And the equipment, by the way, fam, is free. I'm gonna share with you that right. All right, fam. So you have a choice between 3 pieces of equipment, and these equipment is absolutely free. You will get this equipment for free, no price to you. Now the first one is a plug and play system. Basically, if you know anything about ever having to use emissions, or even if you're trying to check your check engine light or diagnostic to your vehicle, you plug it in and it's good to go. That's all you have to do. Really simple. 1, 2, 3. They will send you this information to help you walk through, but this is pretty much it. And but this system, you're going to be able to see it. Okay. The next system is a little bit more incognito, as you can say. And this one is attached to your battery. Okay. So notice right here, you got your prongs, your green and your black. You attach that over to your battery. Real simple. Screw it in. Good to go. Place it pretty much in a place where you can tie it in without it falling on anything. And right here you see this picture where it looks like they just got it on the battery. Okay, or placed above the battery. Good to go. And the last thing that requires a little bit more work, and if you're not really that guy who installs stuff, this wouldn't be for you. However, we can install it for you for free. We'll just have to tell you where you have to take your vehicle based upon where you're located. But they will hardwire this in, mount it underneath your dash. You'll be good to go, okay? Now, with that being said, fam, I'm saying at the end of the day, you need to get your equipment. You definitely need to get your equipment tracked. You're trying to grow your business, you see what it can do for you. It can help you making sure your guys are on task. It can make sure that you can keep your guys in the loop, or your customers in the loop, when you're trying to make sure something's getting done in a timely manner. And most important, it can keep somebody from coming and jacking your stuff without you being able to find it. So fam, as always, hope this helped. If you're interested, please hit me up with an email at quickcutz35@gmail.com. We can get on a Zoom call. And if you got any questions about it, I'll go over it more in more details. As always though, hope you learned something. Cut on lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.